Hello everybody, welcome to the TOEFL PBT. Today with skill 6, use coordinate connectors correctly. When you have two clauses in English sentences, you must connect the two clauses correctly. One way to connect two clauses is to use and, but, or, so, or yet between the clauses. For example, Tom is singing and Paul is dancing. Tom is tall, but Paul is short. Tom must write the letter, or Paul will do it. Tom told a joke, so Paul laughed. Tom is tired, yet he's not going to sleep. In each of the examples, there are two clauses that are correctly joined with a coordinate conjunctions and, but, or, so, or yet, and a comma. The following example shows how sentences pattern could be tested in structure questions on the TOEFL test. For example, a power failure occurred, comma, blank, the lamps went out. As you can see here, this is the first clause. In the second clause, the lamps went out, I just need a connector because I have a subject and a verb. Then, later, next, although they seem connectors, but they're not connectors. So the only one is so. In this example, you should notice quickly that there are two clauses, a power failure occurred and the lamp went out. The sentence needs a connector to join two clauses. Then, later, and next are not connectors. So answer A, C, and D are not correct. The best answer is answer B, because so can connect two clauses. The following chart lists the coordinate connectors and the sentences pattern used with them. Coordinate connectors and, but, or, so, yet. Here is it: subject verb, coordinate connectors, subject verb. She laughed, but she wanted to cry. Exercise 6. Each of the following sentences contains more than one clause. Underline the subject once and the verb twice, circle the connectors, then indicate if the sentences are correct C or incorrect I. 1 and 2 are already solved. Let's go to 3. They are trying to sell their house. It has been on the market for 2 months. Subject, they are trying is a verb. It, subject, has been is the verb. But I have comma and I don't have a connector. That means this sentence is missing a connector. So it's incorrect. Okay, may someone say, but has meaning. You should remove this comma and replace it with a full stop to give a complete meaning and make these two clauses two separate sentences. Otherwise, you need a connector. 4. So, the quality of the print was not good. I changed the typewriter ribbon. So, it's put at the beginning. That doesn't work in coordinate connectors. Coordinate connectors come in the middle, here. So, this sentence is incorrect because the connector is misplaced. So, I should put this here. So, it should have been the quality of the print wasn't good, so I changed the typewriter ribbon. 5. The lifeguard will warn you about the riptides, or she may require you to get out of the water. The lifeguard is a subject, will warn is the verb, or is a connector, she is a subject, may require is the verb. The sentence is complete and it's correct. 6. You should have finished the work yesterday, yet is not close to being finished today. As you can see, your subject, should have finished is the verb, is not is the verb, and I don't have a subject. Yet is the connector. So this sentence is missing a subject. So this sentence is incorrect. 7. The phone rang again and again, so the receptionist was unable to get much work done. The phone, subject, rang is the verb, so is a connector, receptionist is the subject, wasn't is the verb. So this sentence is correct. 8. The missing wallet was found, but the cash and the credit card had been removed. The missing wallet is the subject, was found is the verb, I have a comma, then I have a connector, but the cash and the credit card, this is the other subject, had been removed is the verb. This sentence is not missing anything and the meaning is okay and it's correct. 9. Or you can drive your car for another 2000 miles. You can get it fixed. Without too much continuum. This is incorrect because or comes at the beginning. It should have come in the middle here. So this sentence should have been, you can drive your car for another 2000 miles or you can get it fixed. So this sentence is incorrect because the connector is misplaced. 10. The chemist was awarded the Nobel Prize. He flew to Europe to accept it. The chemist subject was awarded the verb. He is the subject. Flew is the verb. And I have a comma. No connector here to connect these two clauses. This sentence is missing a connector. Or this comma should be replaced with a full stop to make two clauses, two sentences. So 10 is incorrect. It's missing a connector. Okay, I hope you liked it. Until we meet in another episode in Skill 7. Take care of yourselves and see you. Goodbye.